Hello, Mr. Budiantoro. I want to present assignments of English academic of purpose. My name is Miftahul Rozak. My student ID is 2124090007. The theory is Introduction to Psychology. Psychology is the science of behavior and mental process. This means that psychologists conduct experiments and use other scientific methods to understand better the actions and thoughts of humans and animals, from the activity of a single nerve cell to the working of memory and the social conflict in a complex society. The world of psychology, an overview. In 1879, in Leipzig, Germany, Wilhelm Wundt established the first formal psychology laboratory. Wundt, a psychian and psychologist, used the methods of laboratory science, especially experiments, in an effort to identify the basic elements of human consciousness. After the ensuings, after 115 years, psychologists expand the range of their research to encompass hundreds of other phenomena. Subfiles of psychology. In March of 1771, television news programs aired a videotape showing your white place. Okay, and now I try to answer the exercise. Number 1, psychology is the science of behavior and mental process. Next, number 2, psychology conducts is experiment and use other scientific methods to understand. Number 3, psychology research is human and animal, from the activity of single nerve cell to the working of memory and the social conflict in a complex society. Number 4, psychology expand in a way establish the first formal laboratory in Leipzig in 1879. Number 5, psychology has knowledge. Psychology has knowledge is often applied to the assessment and treatment of mental health problems. It is also directed towards understanding and solving problems in several shapes of human activity. Next, number 6, experimental and cognitive psychology study is such basic components of behavior and mental process as perception. Number 7, biological psychologists, who are also called psychologists. Psychological psychologists analyze how biology shapes behavior and mental process. Number 8, personality psychologists focus on Personality psychologists focus on the characteristics that make each person unique. Number 9. Social psychologists study is how people influence one another, especially on group. Number 10. Developmental psychology describe this change and try to understand their cause and effect. Number 11. Approaches psychology. Suppose you were a psychologist trying to understand origins of violence. Number 12. The biological approach focus on the possibility that violence behavior might stem a hormonal imbalance or brain disorder. Next, number 13. Wilhelm Wundt was a German psychologist who founded the first psychology laboratory in Leipzig, Germany in 1879. Number 14. Edward Titchener was a founder of psychology structuralists. Number 15. Hermann Ebbinghaus was a German psychologist who pioneered the experimental study of memory and is known for his discovery of the forgetting curve and the spacing effect. And the last one is number 16. The term experimental psychology is concerned with testing theory of human thought, feeling, action, and beyond. Okay, that is my presentation. Thank you for your time, Mr. Budiantoro, and have a good day. Thank you.